Let's break another angle in the story. We are told the BJP is staging protests in Ballari. They have been demanding the minister's resignation over the government employees' suicide case in Shivamogga. Let me go across to Deepak for that update. Deepak, BJP taking out a protest.
Well, yes, they've been demanding a CBI investigation into this. They're also saying that, while Santosh, a contractor, had committed suicide at, during the BJP regime, Mr. Ishwarappa at that point in time had to resign. And right now, why is the Congress government not really acting on this case? Why is the minister not resigning is the question that's coming up. We heard, of course, the Minister for Tribal Welfare, Mr. Nagendra, earlier what he said. He says that he was completely unaware. He also mentions that no name is mentioned about which minister this individual is talking about, who of course claimed his own life, alleging that there was a pressure for him to transfer some funds. While these allegations are coming to the fore, while the investigation is right now going on, the BJP is demanding two things. One is a resignation of this minister. They're also demanding for an impartial inquiry, that is of course for the CBI to take over. Whether the state government right now will give in is a question. Like my colleague Imran was pointing out, the CID has already begun investigation. They've visited his house, collected some evidence, some pen drives. Even in fact the pen that was used to write the suicide note has also been collected. Now the main aspect of this investigation has to be about the embezzlement of funds which has been alleged in this particular suicide note. Whether it really connects to any minister, any of these officials and babus involved, and when are they going to be brought to book is a question that remains.
All right, Deepak and Imran, thanks very much for joining in. BJP conducting a protest. They are demanding that the minister and the entire department be sacked. However, the CID has been continuing with its investigation. We'll keep our viewers updated on the developments. With that, we head into a short break.